I soaked these beans overnight. I added some onions and pepper. People soak it just for about 1 hour, but I soaked it for overnight to make the beans very soft and fluffy. And I've blended one part already. This is the second part I'm going to blend. When you want to blend, don't add lots of water. Just a bit of water, and then you blend it so smooth. When you blend this and you see the black spots in it, that's what makes it very nice for me, appetizing for me. I don't like to do my Koose or my beans looking so white. You see, look at it. If it's blended, you can see the black spots of the black eyed peas in it. And then what I do, not that what I do, what is supposed to be done, you have to whisk it so well, and then it will become more fluffy. You can use this hand whisk, you can use your hand, you can use any electric whisk, and then add some chopped onions. You can chop them small or chunky like mine, long like mine. Mix it inside. That makes it smell nice and appetizing. People call this Akara. We call it Koose or Agau. You see, I'm whisking it. Whisk it. It will be really fluffy and even double in size. Yes, look at it. Then you add some salt, a little bit of salt before you start frying. The oil obviously must not be too hot. And then look how it is just suspending on the oil. It's hot oil, but not too hot. If it's too hot, it's going to be done outside and fresh inside. So scooping, you can scoop in with your hands, or you can also scoop it in with a spoon or ladle and turn them occasionally, and oh voila. As at this stage, it smells so nice. Your kitchen will be smelling so nice. When I reached here, all the people in my house, they all came around because they could smell it. This is Agau, Koose, bean loaf, as my children call it, beans donut. Oh my God. You can have this with Auza cocoa, tea, or eat it raw. It's a whole meal on its own. Koose, Akara. Look. Look at the inside. And those onions that you put inside to fry, they caramelize so beautifully and make the whole thing smell so nice. Try it. You will love it. You will love it. You are invited.